What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If it is your first time on my channel, then welcome to Small Feet Big Heat. We talk sneakers, we talk streetwear, and everything in between. Today I have an unboxing for you guys, one that I will say I've been waiting to do for a minute now, and I'm sure you guys have been waiting as well, because this shoe is probably one of the more talked about shoes on my channel. It's one of the more popular videos on my channel, and that is the Cactus Plant Flea Market Air Force One. Yes, it is finally here. The shoe is here. UPS literally dropped it off like 5-10 minutes ago. I've already gone ahead and stripped off the labels, so let's open this up. Alright, so a very similar box to the box that the Cactus Plant Flea Market Nike Bayou Blazers came in, where it's kind of like a slide open box. No Nike branding on this box. That's the one good thing I would say. For those of you who haven't already seen the Nike Bayou box, this is what it looks like. It's an all over white box. It says Nike Bayou, and then you have your custom size label that says Nike by Taylor. It'll say your first name, my first name is Taylor. And it is a slide open box, so you just pop this top right here and then just slide out the shoes. Very similar to any other Nike Bayou shoe that's come out. It's the same box. And so let's peel this back. And yeah, so you guys know that I was kind of iffy about which actual color option checked out, because when I was on the site trying to make my shoe, I knew that I wanted all white with the reflective underlay, but it would not let me check that out. So I kept hitting checkout, 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 and I wasn't sure what color at the end of the day I actually checked out. So I'm very happy to see that I actually got my first choice, and these look really good. So let's go ahead and pull these out. The smell of the glue and the leather is real strong. Like, it's not Air Jordan 1 smell, but the shoe smell, the fresh shoe smell is definitely really, really strong. In some areas I'm already seeing loose threads, but overall these are fire. And I do have my lights on, and if you can see, it is looking quite reflective, so that means the reflective underlay is there. That means they got it right. That is my design. That's what I came up with. And the other shoe says Air. Now, a lot of people were wondering why I wanted all white, why I didn't want to add colors or do anything extra like that, and that's because I already have the Cactus Plant Flea Market Nike Bayou Blazers, and I went crazy with the colors on those. So I wanted to keep this shoe very simple, very wearable, because I'm gonna be wearing these a lot. I'm gonna try not to, because I want to keep them in good condition, but these are clean. These are clean. I know Travis Scott and Nike have made some bangers this year, but Cactus Plant Flea Market is a very, very close second. Like, the shoes that they've come out with this year in combination with Nike have looked really, really good, and I am proud to say that I now have all three. This isn't one that I was gonna miss out on. So I have the Vapor Max, I have the Blazer, and I have the Air Force One. And there you go. You can see all three Cactus Plant Flea Market Nikes that came out this year I do have in my possession. All of that being said, you can expect a full review and on foot coming at you for these shoes very soon, probably this weekend. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, show a small YouTuber some love, and I will see you guys in the next one.